Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on BSC Limited. Our analyst maintains positive view on BSC Limited with a potential upside of 25% from the current market price. BSC has made considerable progress on the Sensex 30 derivative index option contract on expiry day. BankX is also seeing healthy initial traction. The company's focus is to bring non-expiry volumes and long-dated contract beyond current expiry. Going forward, both pick up in overall volumes in equity derivative as well as gradually increasing tariffs on BankX and Sensex contract beyond the current week remains a key catalyst. Also, operating leverage is expected to kick in when derivative starts to contribute significantly to the top line from FY25 onwards. As majority of the fixed cost has already been incurred and variable cost would be minimal. We believe BSC is likely to deliver robust revenue, EBITDA, earnings CAGR of 35%, 84% and 62% respectively over FY23 to FY26 on the back of improving revenue mix due to derivative segment and benefit accruing from operating leverage. At current market price, the stock trades at 40.5 times its FY25 and 30 times its FY26 estimated core earnings. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next on radar is Ultratech Limited. Our analyst maintains a buy on Ultratech with a revised price target of Rs 10,500. Rolling forward valuation to FY26 estimated earnings amid strong demand and operational cost tailwinds. Ultratech announced acquisition of Sharekhan Cement asset at a fairly attractive valuation of $91 adjusted EV per ton. The transaction would be undertaken through share swap with nil cash consideration. The proposed assets would increase Ultratech's southern region's capacity mix to 22% from 15% and industry capacity share to 17% from 11%. Its inorganic growth would help maintain industry pricing discipline. We expect operational profitability of proposed asset to be brought at par with Ultratech's in a shorter period of time. The acquired asset is likely to contribute for full fiscal year during FY26. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.